Things are going to be a changing around here as we head through this weekend, going through the early part of November as well. Not so much for Tuesday and Wednesday. It's still going to be well above normal, but the wind machine's going to be cranking. That will increase the fire danger. It will also start to increase rain chances by late Wednesday going into Thursday. But will it be wet for trick-or-treating? More on that in a second. Then as we get into Friday and the weekend, there'll be a few showers around. I don't think it's going to be a washout around here. And it should be a little bit cooler as well. It won't be quite as warm as what we've experienced over the past 4 weekends or so. Look at these high temperatures. Finally, a little bit of a change. 87 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday. That's still over 10 degrees above average. But we're going to be above average as we head into the weekend, but at least it's a little bit closer. We're under that 10 threshold and getting down into the 5 to 8 degree above average type thing. And as you can see on Friday, only 2 degrees above average. That looks a lot better for this time of year. And I think it may even get cooler as we head toward the next week. So something to look forward to around here. As we take a look at the forecast fire danger, notice that we are in the high to very high category as we make our way into Tuesday. That's because winds will be gusting up to 30 miles per hour. There are a lot of dry fuels out there. The one thing we'll have working for us is humidity values will also be increasing. So I don't think this is going to be one of those really extreme days, but there's plenty of dry fuel around to get something going with those gusty winds. So be careful out there. Most of us under burn bans, but changes are coming, not just yet, not for Tuesday and most of Wednesday, but we do have the jet stream that is finally starting to buckle here and move its way into the West Coast, and that will continue over toward Texas as we head toward the end of the week. And finally, we'll start to see the rains open and we will have the potential for some cooler temperatures. So speaking of that rain potential here on our future track, as we go into Tuesday, there'll be a few more clouds around. I think it will be partly to mostly cloudy throughout the day. Same for Wednesday. This is showing quite a bit of green on the map. I think most of the day Wednesday will be quiet. But after sunset Wednesday, that's when we may start to see some scattered thunderstorms develop here across the area. And that goes into Thursday morning. So Wednesday night, Thursday morning, that's Halloween. What happens that evening? Right now, the models are trying to push the rain away from central Texas. So keep your fingers crossed. Timing could still change a little bit here, but if this holds, that means trick-or-treating would be good for most of us. But again, this could change a little bit. It could slow down. It may speed up a little bit. We'll watch it for you. Then as we make our way into Friday, a few showers will return, and that will go into Saturday, into Sunday. Not going to be a washout here, but scattered showers will be possible, and that may go into early next week as well. There's Monday into Election Day Tuesday with mostly cloudy skies as another front sinks down into the area. As far as rain amounts are concerned, I don't put numbers on this because I'm putting a whole week together, but you notice where the bullseye is, from Oklahoma City over toward Little Rock up into Missouri. So that's where the most significant rain is going to be. For us, probably in that 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, maybe up to 2 in a few locations when you put it all together from about Wednesday evening all the way into the next Tuesday. So at least it's some moisture potential across the area because we need it. So tonight, temperatures will be down into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Then tomorrow, highs will be into the mid to upper 80s, not the 90s, so that is good. Maybe some lower 80s as you head farther to the west. And taking a look at your forecast, those temperatures going to be hanging out into the upper 80s for a good chunk of us Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, Wednesday evening, there will be a chance for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. A couple of those could be on the strong side. Best chance for severe weather, though, will be north of us Wednesday night. Then Thursday morning, I think we will have rain chances, but hopefully it decreases by Thursday evening. Then just some scattered activity Friday, Saturday into Sunday. And remember, it's turn back the clock. Then as we head toward Election Day next week, looks like temperatures will be into the 70s. Hey, that's looking good. Could be a couple of showers, but again, hopefully not a washout here across the area. And for the Brazos Valley, 88 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, your best chance of thunderstorms. That will be Halloween morning, hopefully decreasing. A slightly better chance that could linger a little longer for you in the Brazos Valley on Thursday. Something to watch. And then as we get into the weekend, some scattered showers, maybe some isolated thunderstorms. Turn back the clock, 49-hour weekend. And then as we head toward Election Day, maybe a couple showers and storms with highs in the 70s.